So guys, if you have a front loading washing machine and if your machine is giving foul smell, foul odor, then what you do is in a rinse mode. Just rinse mode हो रहा है पानी. You open this thing, open this cover, take this thing out and blow water. पानी डालो इसमें पूरा. It's in the rinse mode. Use water spray and just spray it. Just take it out. सब भीतर का वो गंदगी, वो डिटर्जेंट जितना भी बचा है सब निकल जाएगा ये, और उसको वो बदबू से राहत मिल जाएगा मशीन से. Machine will be clean, neat and clean from underneath, and it won't stink. It won't give a metallic or detergent foul smell. Okay, just spray as much as you can. Let everything come out. Okay, just take this out.